Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Amory McAtamney from Supreme Guru Tech, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to check what contacts you have saved from your Gmail application. So if you're not quite sure on how to do this, then just follow these steps. What you want to do first of all is go into your Gmail application. And then if you tap the icon in the top left hand corner and scroll right down to the bottom. Now you can see it says Google Apps, and the second one down it says Contacts. So whenever I tap into there, this will show me my list of contacts that I have saved to my Google account, and I can view these just in the Gmail application. Thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time, peace.